Hello children, good morning. We're again back after a long time because in between we had the Viva examination. Uh, I'm very glad to say that most of you have scored good marks in Viva. Your answers were very good, to the point, and you have studied or you have read the book, it seems, in both the subjects, that is social studies and English literature. I'm happy with SST uh, Viva answers because it seems that you have really put in an effort and you have studied whatever has been taught to you. This is very good because, as you know, I ask questions from the entire chapter, entire lesson, not specific questions given at the back of the book. So, for that, I repeatedly have been telling you that you have to read the entire book, you have to read the entire chapter very thoroughly, each and every line. And you have done that. That's the best part of it, that you have done that. I'm very happy. And day for yesterday was Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose's birthday. A great leader, a great freedom fighter. He had true leadership qualities. Let us all emulate him and follow whatever he had been uh, asking us to do, or whatever he has done himself. That is, Indians come first, whether they are Hindus, Muslims, Sikh, or Christians, that doesn't matter. First of all, we are Indians. We all Indians are same as far as the country is concerned. We all are citizens of the country first. Then we are then we are either Hindus or Muslims or Sikhs or Christians. That he has told. And such a leader of such stature hardly take birth in many centuries. A very great leader. Anyway, again we have the Republic Day, that is tomorrow. We'll be having a holiday, but holiday is not that important in Republic Day. The important point is that you have studied also in your social studies book that our constitution was adopted on this day in 1950, 26th of January 1950. The Constitution of India that was adopted. Before that, we were following the British Constitution. So that is the most important part of 26th January 1950, which is celebrated as a Republic Day. India became a republic on that particular day, 1950, 26th of January 1950. Uh, so that's all about Republic Day. Let us see what we have about the resources that are available around us. As we know, there are basically two types of resources. One is natural resource and one is human-made resource. So we were studying about the natural resources. In natural resource, we have two types of resources again, that is renewable and non-renewable. Renewable resources means which do not exhaust, which do not end up, which can be reused. They are also known as inexhaustible. They don't get exhausted. And another one is exhaustible or non-renewable resource. So we were talking about, or we were learning about renewable, that is inexhaustible resources. Let us see what we have to learn from that. Let us see. Okay. We have studied up to this renewable resource. Some natural resources do not get exhausted. They can be renewed. These resources are called renewable resources. They are also called inexhaustible resources. Air, water, soil, plants, and solar energy are some examples of renewable resources. Let us read about them. We have studied up to this. Let us read about some renewable resources. Air. Air is available in plenty. This doesn't get exhausted. It is always available with us. It doesn't finish. Air. All living things need air to live. Moving air, called wind, is used to generate electricity in a wind farm. This is the wind farm. These are the windmills having blades. when air flows, that is when the wind flows rather, these blades start rotating, and at the base there is a generator which generates electricity. All this electricity is added up and used for our various purposes. Again, I'll read it. All living things need air to live. Moving air, called wind, is used to generate electricity in a wind farm using wind turbines. Okay, as I showed you the wind turbines. The Muppandal wind farm in Tamil Nadu is the largest in India. Muppandal wind farm in Tamil Nadu is the largest in India. In Rajasthan also you will find many wind farms. There are windmills in wind farms. Many windmills are together in one wind farm. Water. This is also a non-renewable energy. I'm extremely sorry. This is also an inexhaustible energy. It doesn't get exhausted. It is a renewable energy. Water. Water is needed for drinking, washing, cooking, growing crops, and for many other purposes. Electricity generated from water is called hydroelectricity. Hydro means water. Hydroelectricity. In a dam, water is made to fall from a great height. The force of falling water is used to generate hydroelectricity. See how water is used? Water is used for many other purposes. That is washing, drinking, washing, cooking, growing crops, and also for generating electricity. How? The water is first of all stored in dams. From dams, from a great height, water is released, and the force of the falling water moves turbines again. They move turbine, and those turbines generate hydroelectricity. Those turbines generate electricity known as the hydroelectricity. Soil is also a renewable resource, natural resource. Soil is needed to grow plants. Fertile soil produces more crops. The different types of soil found in India are alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil, mountain soil, and desert soil. These are the various types of soils found in India. I'll read them again. The different types of soil found in India are alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil, mountain soil, and desert soil. These are the various types of soil found in India. Plants. Plants are also, these are the solar cells. The solar energy, that is the sunlight, is used to generate electricity in the solar cells. Okay, the energy is stored in these cells and it is used for various purposes. Solar panels. These are solar panels. They have many small solar cells. Now, plant is also one of the renewable resource. Plants give us food to eat and oxygen to breathe. Almost all animals depend upon plants for food. Trees prevent soil erosion and give shelter to many animals. This is why plants are called green gold. Okay, this is regarding plants. Animals. Animals are also renewable resource. Animals give us food such as milk, eggs, meat, and oil. Hair of goats and sheep are used to make woolen clothes. Fish waste, bird droppings, and other animal waste are used as fertilizers. That is mixed with soil, and the soil becomes highly fertile. Solar energy. The energy of the sun is called solar energy. Energy of the sun is called solar energy. Plants make food using this energy. It is also used to light streets, cook, heat water, and generate electricity. I'll read again. The energy of sun is called solar energy. Plants make food using this energy. It is also used to light streets, cook, heat water, and generate electricity. Okay. There are solar cookers which are used, which use solar energy to cook food. Okay. And the electricity generated by these solar panels, they are used to light streets also, and heat water by generating electricity. Non-renewable resource. Regarding the non-renewable resource, we'll read later, but the first paragraph we'll read today. Some natural resources such as fuels, among fuels we have coal, petroleum and natural gas, and metals, that is iron, copper, aluminium, are available in a limited quantity. They are not available in unlimited quantity, they are available in limited quantity. Once we use up these resources, we cannot create any more of them. Such resources are called non-renewable resources. They are also exhaustible resources. Let us read about them. We'll read about it later. But what we have to know about it is, that is, the resources which cannot be created by us anymore after we have used them up. Once the resources have been used up, we cannot create anymore. Such resources are called non-renewable resources. This is what we have to know about the non-renewable resources mostly in general. Now in the next class we'll read about the various available non-renewable resources like coals, minerals and whatnot. Okay children. So this is what we have today for you. Today we have read about the renewable natural resources, and we have seen what type of renewable natural resources are available with us: air, water, then your solar energy, plants and animals. These are the major renewable natural resources available with us. Okay children, bye. Thank you so much.